Hello everyone, and check out this EFURDEN Adirondack Chair, designed for ultimate comfort and outdoor durability. This chair features premium HDPE material that resists fading and harsh weather throughout every single season. You can easily fold this sleek black chair to save space or move it around your yard. The high backrest and wide armrests provide perfect support while you relax by the fire pit. It looks amazing on any garden patio, backyard porch, or wooden deck in your own beautiful home. This heavy-duty furniture requires very little maintenance to keep its classic look for many long years. Upgrade your outdoor living space today with this stylish and incredibly comfortable folding Adirondack chair. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.